ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. A blister formation can occur on internal components much like it can on human skin. Machine parts that operate in high temperatures or routinely rub or grind against each other can develop imperfections over their useful life. Tiny bubbles on internal parts might not sound like a serious problem, but blister formations can lead to other problematic maintenance defects. Once the structural integrity of a system is compromised, additional abrasion or residue buildup become easier and easier to appear. Maintenance technicians can use remote visual inspection or RVI tools like video borescopes and fiberscopes to find a blister formation before it causes a complete system failure and demands overhaul. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.